Now I want to go into yields. Yields, very, very important. We saw yields drop off. Very, very clear here correlation where we have yields dropping off. Now, what I want everybody to be cautious about and to monitor, and the reason why I'm doing this video a little bit longer than I usually do, it's this level here. So we get potentially a double bottom or an overextension to this level where we get potentially a new all-time high or a retest of the all-time highs on the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. And then what happens? We get an uptick and a bigger sell-off in the markets with yields gaining again. And this also correlates with the dollar, risk on, risk off. As you can see here, we've tested this trend line again. I think this trend line is the key now. Whenever this trend line breaks, we will see the markets move higher. So yesterday, it was Wednesday, 26th of November, we saw the dollar move a little bit further down, but then gain in the latter part of the day. And then we saw risk on assets like crypto pick up in the second half of the day. This level is key. I think this rejection here potentially takes us to a lower low, but I'm watching for this tightening here, which basically means the dollar sells off, the dollar gains and the market sell off a little bit, start consolidating, and then we get maybe the real move or the move up higher. And it's honestly a 50-50 here, and I'm just monitoring it and looking at the levels. For example, I'll put an alert here that if it breaks this level, then I know that I'm bullish. And if it breaks this level of Friday, tomorrow, then I'll be bearish, right? Very, very clear here because on the dollar at least, I'll be bearish on the dollar and I would be bullish in risk on assets, okay? So this would be a key trigger point for that move all the way down here, and it would give me confidence that maybe we uptick a little bit and I could take a few short-term trades, open up some positions, or maybe just manage my positions and move stop losses to break even, and so on and so on. This would give me confidence.